Hi everyone! Welcome back! So today's video guys, ang pag-uusapan natin is yung important updates ng BPI sa credit card holders ng BPI Amore Cashback Platinum. Okay? So naka-receive ako ng email sa kanila noong April 24 pa. And ang sabi dun sa email is i-convert na raw yung BPI Amore Cashback Platinum ko into Robinsons Cashback powered by Visa. So, ano-ano ba yung mga magbabago? So, unang-una dyan guys is yung card, syempre. So, hindi na siya Amore Cashback Platinum card, kundi Robinsons Cashback card na siya. So, yan yung itsura ng Robinsons Cashback. So, huwag kayong mag-alala guys, kasi platinum pa din naman yan. It's just that hindi lang nakaka-platinum yung card. Pero, still, it's a platinum. So, next guys is yung enhanced cashback. So, sabi ko enhanced kasi nagdagdag sila ng ways para maka-earn tayo ng cashback. So, ano-ano ba yon? Tingnan nyo yung screen nyo guys. So, yan yung part ng email na na-receive ko summarizing yung bagong ways for us to earn cashback. So, before, sa BPI Amore, 3 lang kasi yung ways eh. Una is at least minimum spend of 1,000 sa shopping, department stores, and grocery merchants. 1% yung cashback. And then yung pinakamalaki is yung 4% with a minimum spend of 1,000 sa dining, restaurants, and online food delivery. And then 0.3% cashback naman with a minimum spend of 1,000 sa other merchants. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito sa Robinsons Cashback powered by Visa, instead of 3, 5 ways na yan for us to earn a cashback. So, ano yung nadagdag na dalawa? It is yung 3% cashback na pwede nating makuha when we spend at least 3,500 sa Robinsons brands and affiliate stores. So, kung 1,000 lang naman yung na-spend mo, meron ka pa rin makukuha na 1% cashback. So, yan yung dalawang nadagdag guys na ways para tayo ay maka-earn ng cashback. So, ano ba tong mga Robinsons brands and affiliate stores? So, ito yung example guys. So, Robinsons Supermarket, Shopwise, Benefit, Soul Academy, Robinsons Appliances, South Star Drug, Super 50, Premium Bikes, and so on. So, yan guys yung list ng some of the Robinsons brands and affiliate stores kung saan pwede rin tayo maka-earn ng 3% cashback when we spend 3,500 or 1% cashback when we spend 1K. So, ayan yung enhanced cashback nila. And just wanted to let you know, diba sa BPI Amore Platinum Card, ang minimum or maximum amount na cashback na pwede lang nating makuha is 15K. So, dito sa Robinsons Cashback card, ay ginawa nilang 20K, guys. Okay? So, that's nice. Mas tumaas pa siya. Okay? So, next, annual fees. So, ang annual fee kasi, guys, ng BPI Amore Cashback Platinum ay 5K. Medyo may kamahalan siya. Para na siyang BPI signature. So, dito sa Robinsons Cashback, maglo-lower yan ng 50%. So, 2,500 na lang yung magiging annual fee natin dito. Okay? And then next is, we can still continue daw to enjoy yung Ayala Malls benefits na nakukuha natin or na ina-avail natin sa ating BPI Amore Cashback Platinum. Magkakaroon pa nga din sila ng new set of exclusive perks and privileges. So, i-announce na lang nila yan once available. Okay? So, eto guys, yung some of the benefits sa Ayala Malls. So, yan yung listahan ng mga pwede nating makuha. Yung key Ayala Mall benefits. So, may cinema discount, may lounge access na free, may cashback pa tayo, and then parking perks. Ayan. Okay? So, when will these changes be effective? So, it will be effective on June 24, 2026. Okay? So, remember guys, kung hindi pa expired yung BPI Amore Cashback Platinum ninyo, you can still use it as is. So, no action required from your end. So, kung naman ma-expire na siya ngayong June, for example, ma-expire na siya sa June 30, expect na yung renewal card na ibibigay sa'yo ni BPI ay Robinsons Cashback powered by Visa na. Okay? Ako kasi guys, sa 2028 pa may expire yung aking Amore Cashback Platinum. So, I can still use it as it is. Okay? So, when it comes to paying naman, yung Robinsons Cashback powered by Visa, same lang naman. Hanapin mo lang yung BPI sa BPI CC or BPI credit card sa biller's list and then you can still pay it na. Okay? Wala namang nagbago doon. So, meron lang akong dalawang question na pending with BPI kasi tumawag ako sa kanila, no? Iko-call back na lang daw ako kasi hindi pa nagre-reply yung team, yung respective team na naka-assign doon. So, ang question ko kasi is kung ipi-phase out na ba nila yung Amore Cashback Platinum Card. Kasi, ito yung nakikita ko sa website nila. And when I check on credit cards, hindi na lumalabas dun itong BPI Amore Platinum, kundi yung Robinsons Cashback na. And yung pangalawa kong question, kung alam nyo guys, kung familiar kayo doon sa Simplified South Korean Visa Application, kasama kasi doon yung BPI Amore Platinum card. So, I'm wondering, dahil yung mag-i-end pa yung Simplified Korean Visa Application, hanggang December 31 pa kasi yon. So, ibig sabihin, gusto kong malaman, if napalitan na ng Robinsons Cashback yung card mo, ibig sabihin ba, mawawala na yung privilege na yon? Kasi syempre, hindi na Amore Platinum card yung card mo. So, yun yung dalawang question ko na gusto kong malaman yung sagot. And kapag tinawagan na ako ni BPI at alam ko na yung sagot, gagawa ulit ako ng maikling video for that, guys. And kung kayo naman ay meron additional question, huwag kayong mahiya, leave your comment below and I will collate your question and then I can call BPI for you. Okay? So, that's all for now, guys. I hope makatulong tong video. And maraming salamat sa panonood. See you again on my next. Bye!